Hello everyone, this is Vijay from Laven. One of the main challenges in manufacturing complex components is achieving consistent accuracy and repeatability. Traditional grinding methods can struggle with intricate geometries, but a CNC centerless grinding machine offers a unique approach that tackles these challenges head-on. CNC centerless grinding machines are built around a few key components such as the grinding wheel spindle assembly, the regulating wheel spindle assembly, and the work rest blade. This unique setup eliminates the need for a central axis, which allows for continuous uninterrupted grinding. The grinding wheel removes material from the workpiece, while the regulating wheel controls the workpiece rotation and feed rate. The work rest blade supports the workpiece during the grinding process, ensuring stability and accuracy. CNC centerless grinding machines excel at maintaining tight tolerances and delivering consistent roundness even when dealing with the most intricate shapes. This makes them particularly suited for industries like aerospace, automotive, and medical applications where precision is of most importance. Furthermore, CNC centerless grinding machines offer incredible versatility. They can accommodate a wide range of material and sizes, ensuring that they can meet the unique demands of any project. In addition, their adaptability allows for quick changeover, reducing downtime and increasing overall efficiency. And to handle complex shapes and precision, CNC centerless grinding machines rely on advanced software and controls. These systems ensure that the machines operate with high degree of accuracy, repeatability, and ease of use. Customizable grinding programs enable operators to fine-tune the grinding process to suit the specific requirements of each workpiece. Here at Laven, we understand that every business has unique requirements. That's why our team of experienced engineers and technicians are always ready to work with you and customize the CNC centerless grinder to suit to your specific needs. Our clients often find the improved accuracy and repeatability of our CNC centerless grinders lead to fewer rejects and less reworks, which translate to overall costs and happier customers. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about our CNC centerless grinders, do reach out to us. Thank you.